Hi, my name's Tom Djokovic. I'm with XsunX Solar. We're here today at the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Gargrove, California, where recently we installed an approximate 85 kilowatt solar carport system for the church. It's running right now. It's actually running quite well and probably provide years of great additional power to the church. The way we designed this church is we look back at the church's 12-month usage records for electricity, and we looked at how they use electricity every 15 minutes over every day over an entire year. And then over that, we modeled several different technologies. We looked at solar, we looked at energy storage, and we looked at energy management technologies called demand control. We determined that the battery systems here probably were not a really good fit, too expensive for the return, but the solar paired with the demand management software was really an ideal selection for them. So then what we did is we sized the solar system around 85 kilowatts so that it would produce enough power to essentially meet close to their annual energy needs. And then on top of that, we laid this what's called demand control technology that goes ahead and controls how and when, I believe they have about 15 air conditioners on site here, how those air conditioners turn on and off so nothing runs simultaneously. So by doing that, we reduce how fast they use electricity, which greatly reduces their energy bill. That coupled with the power that this system produces every day. And remember, these systems, when we install them, they produce electricity during the prime portions of the day, which means you get credits under the net energy metering policies. You get the most expensive credits. When you would be paying the most for electricity, that's when you get the same value credit for that electricity. It goes, sits on your bill, and then later in the day, you can go ahead and use those credits to buy back less expensive electricity at night, things like that. So that's what makes solar so valuable, and especially it works well for residential and very well for commercial systems too, such as this. So once we came to modeling and sizing the system, we determined that the solar carport was a great selection here for them because they have so much room in the parking lot. They got great southern exposure. We then design and engineer the system to fit the space. We do soils engineering, structural calculations, electrical engineering. We then go ahead, design the plans, get it fully permitted. Then we bring all the materials on site, and we have direct full-time on-site project management where we bring together professionals who put together the system. We use galvanized steel, which in its natural form will last decades, or it can be painted. We have some clients who elect to paint it, which makes increases, let's say, the aesthetic value, but does create a bit of a maintenance issue. So in this particular application, they chose to go with the galvanized look, which, as I said, will give them decades of really trouble-free use. The solar modules themselves are a German product, a company called XsunX. They come with a 15-year assembly warranty and a 25-year performance warranty. And then the inverter technology that we use is SolarEdge. SolarEdge, we think, is the best technology out there. What SolarEdge does is they pair a brain, a little box, which you might be able to see up here on the purlin on the rafters here. We pair a brain with every 2 solar modules. And what that brain does is it speaks to all the other brains. They're actually called optimizers, and it allows the power to be balanced through the whole system. It actually allows every single solar module to work at its 100% potential. And you can also go onto a website and see how every single solar module is performing. So it's great for identifying any potential problems. Remember, we mentioned the solar modules come with a 25-year performance warranty. Well, using the SolarEdge technology, we can literally identify if there's any problems earlier rather than later if something's starting to go wrong with a solar module. To that end, solar modules are very durable, and to tell you the truth, we've only had to ever replace one solar module due to lack of performance, and we've installed thousands and thousands of modules, so the technology is very, very sound. So we couple the solar modules with the power optimizers and the SolarEdge inverter, and we create a system that is highly efficient, easy to monitor, and easy to maintain. You can see what the performance is like. And they provide one of the best warranties in the industry. SolarEdge offers a standard 12-year manufacturer warranty, which is about 2 years longer than other manufacturers. And in this particular situation, we included a 20-year extended warranty for the client, which we can also go up to 25 years on these particular inverters. So all in all, the system's designed to give decades of great power production, and like I said, monitoring and maintenance is simplified with the SolarEdge technology.